I received this powerful multi-purpose steam cleaner as a gift, and I was actually really happy to get this one because it replaces both of the steamers I had been using before. This steamer is designed for chemical-free cleaning, which means it uses pressurized steam to help break down dirt, grease, and buildup without needing additional cleaning products. It can be used on a variety of surfaces like tile, grout, upholstery, carpet, and even for car detailing. One thing I've learned while reviewing a few different steam cleaners is that having a trigger on the handle is a big priority for me. Being able to control when the steam comes out makes a huge difference because you can stop and start the steam exactly when you need it instead of constantly running. The steamer itself is lightweight and portable, which makes it easier to move around while cleaning different areas of the house. The handle is comfortable to hold, and the design makes it easy to reach into tighter areas like grout lines, corners, or around fixtures. It also has three different steam volume settings, so you can adjust the amount of steam depending on the surface that you're cleaning. That's really helpful because some jobs need stronger steam while others just need a lighter setting. Since it's a multi purpose steamer, it's meant to work in a lot of spaces around the home. Things like bathroom tile, grout, kitchen surfaces, upholstery, and car interiors are all areas where steam can help loosen dirt and make it easier to wipe away. Overall, I'm really happy to have this one because it replaces two separate steamers I had before. It's lightweight, easy to control with the trigger, and the adjustable steam settings make it really versatile for cleaning tasks around the house.